This is a DIYNate production. Thanks for watching.
Alright, today on DIYNate we are taking a video of Windows Video Editor. I wanted to run this video so I can show some folks how to use a program that comes pre-installed in a lot of Windows laptops. Doing it in a little bit unique format today as we drive across interstate, traveling back from Louisiana to our home state of Georgia. So looking forward to walking you through this. Some very basic stuff in this video just on how to use the Windows Video Editor program, so you can kind of get a feeling of how to assemble pieces of MP4 videos you might already have. So I'm hoping you enjoy this. Don't forget to comment and let me know what you think. Hopefully you come up with some really good uses for this tool. Okay, so we're going to go to, first thing, you want to see if you have Video Editor. They changed the name of this program a little while back from Movie Maker to Video Editor, and I have not found the best tutorials online, so I'm kind of creating this to help some folks out with using Video Editor. And we're going to go ahead and you can see some of the projects I've worked on in the past. We're going to start with a new video project just so you can kind of get a feel for what's happening here. And in this case, we're going to be doing a fence repair, easy fence repair. Pretty easy video, just for example purposes. I'm going to call this 2 since I've done one of these before. And I'll go ahead and drop this in. Now, you've got a section up here that you can use as your place to load in the videos that you want to add to your storyboard. And then once you put them in your storyboard, it starts assembling the movie. So here I'm going to click Add, and then I'm going to go from this PC. I've got an external hard drive hooked up right now, and you'll see a little bit of how I do my process. Sorry for the background noise. As I mentioned, this is a video I'm recording in the car. So you're going to see me go to the fence picket repair round 2, and I have with an intro. I'm going to add the intro video. It just talks about DIYNate. It's a kind of kickoff screen I use, and then I'm going to add the video fence picket repair here to this. And we're hopeful that this will work smoothly and we can just drop things in. And so for starters, I'm going to pull down DIYNate into this section. It looks like it already slotted it. And you can see me drag the intro here and then the rest of the video here. I've edited this movie already on my phone. I use iMovie for that, but you can edit here as well. And so as you can see, you've got a section up here where you can watch your video. And so we're going to click it.
Alright, today on DIYNate, we're going to be fixing a fence picket.
So as you can see, the video play is up here. And then if you decide that you want to split it or separate it, there's some ways you can do that. Splitting allows you to basically open up the video. And let's watch a little bit more.
And you can see this guy has broken pretty strongly there. My kids were playing tag.
So as I split the video, if I want to split it, I can split it right here. And you can see how it creates 2 clips. And so clip 1 and clip 2. And now the video is broken out into 2 parts. So I've got the original intro, the first 12 seconds, and the remaining 2 minutes. So another place I'm going to go toward is at the very end of this video. I usually have some kind of, outtake where I say some stuff, and you'll see what I mean. And I'll use the split feature in just a second on this. So
with that, that's all it is. Pretty easy project, but we're done. Alright, this has been another episode of DIYNate. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, and check out my website if you get a chance.
So right there, I know I've finished the video, but there's just a couple seconds left between that and when I get done with it. So I'm going to click split, and you'll see this clip 1 is the 2-minute and 30 section, and then there's 8 seconds left. So I'll click done, and now you can see that I've got that 7-second section. And so from here, if I click on this and I click on this, we can click
in the comments, you can find out how to get there. Really appreciate all the support and hope to save a couple bucks with this one.
Okay, again, right there, 255. I'm going to split it one more time because I know that's the section I want to edit out. And that last section, you can see here, and you can see why I want to edit.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Okay, so thanks. Have a great day. If I wanted to delete this, I could simply click on it and click delete, and I'd be good to go. I'm not going to do that because I actually think I want to keep that. But you can see how I've built that. Now, a couple other things we can do here. There's a lot of other features, and I'm not going to get into all the details, but I will add a title card here. A title card lets you kind of break things up, and if we add a title card, you can, by default, you get a color like blue. You can decide to change your color. I've messed around with the audio at some points and haven't been real thrilled with what's offered there. So we're going to see what we've got available. It looks like there's certain themes there. I haven't spent much time with that, but with this one, if I want to change the text on the title card, here I can change it. I can go into background colors, and let's say I want to use something like this color of orange, and then I want to put let's put some text in here. Again, I go to text, and I know my daughter and I sometimes will put something like this together. So you can see I clicked on that layout section, and we might use something like, I don't know, there's a good one in here somewhere. They don't give you a whole lot of options, but you get some that are kind of neat that you can mess around with. Old cinema, boom. So you've got some options here. I'm going to put, I think adventure is one we kind of like, and so you can see here if I wanted to change this and make this call it DIYNate quick fence picket. Okay, and that's what we're going to do there, and that's about 3 seconds. So before my video even starts, I can pull that over here to the very beginning, and now I've got a video that's going to play all the way through, and I've got the whole video ready. So once you're done with this part, you can actually come up here and you can click finish video. I believe it's somewhere up here. Yep, finish video, and that's going to save it down and let you wrap your video up, and then it's ready for uploading to YouTube. I'm going to typically do it in the 1080p platform, since that's recommended and it's kind of the highest quality video image. But if you get space constrained or you have a really huge video, you might want to think about using something else. I'm going to put it right back in the same folder that I used before. So fence picket here, I'll name it something like fence picket repair 2, and I'll call this final. Put the date on it, 07/05/20, and that tells me I'm ready for uploading to YouTube. And so now from here I'll go through the process of uploading to YouTube. So with that, you'll see the exporting process takes just a minute or two, and pretty much once you've got that done, it's loaded into an MP4 format, and so now your video is strung together. I picture people using this for doing things like putting home movies together, or maybe even putting an index title card together, or maybe it's got a table of contents. So you kind of get the idea how that works. Pretty basic program. There's a lot of better stuff out there on the market if you want to pay for it, but Windows Video Editor comes with your typical Windows package these days, so it is kind of basic software that a lot of people don't even know exists. Some people got used to using Movie Maker years ago, and Movie Maker was helpful as well, but again, this is just kind of an intro video making software. So, thanks very much for watching this DIYNate video on Windows Video Editor. And again, really appreciate all the support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Somewhere I can stop the recording.